Today, I'll walk you through how to create an FAQ section in Elementor WordPress, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up an engaging FAQ section so you can enhance user experience on your website. Let's dive right in. First, open your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page where you want to add your FAQ section. Once you're there, click on the search bar and type Accordion. This is the widget we will use to create our FAQ section. It allows for a clean and organized presentation of questions and answers. Now drag the Accordion widget onto your page. You'll see a default setup with a few items already in place. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still apply. Next, click on each item to edit the title, which will be your question, and the description, which will serve as your answer. This is where you can customize the content to address the common queries your visitors might have. Think of it as a conversation where you provide clarity. If you want to add more questions, simply click on the plus add item button. This allows you to expand your FAQ section as needed. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Just take your time to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once you have your questions and answers in place, it's time to make it visually appealing. Click on the Style tab to access various customization options. Here, you can adjust the appearance of your FAQ section to match your website's branding. Next, click on Title to change the font style and size of your questions. This is important for readability and can help draw attention to the questions. Now let's change the text color to make it stand out. Click on the option to change the text color and choose a shade that complements your overall design. After that, you can also change the active color, which is the color that appears when a question is clicked. This adds a nice interactive touch to your FAQ section. Finally, click on Typography to further refine the font settings. Adjusting the typography can significantly enhance the user experience, making it easier for visitors to read and engage with your content. And there you have it. You've successfully created an FAQ section in Elementor WordPress. This feature not only helps answer your visitors' questions, but also improves the overall usability of your site. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.